No one wants to do on call. No one, right? Because you can't control when the incident happens. It might happen over a weekend, it might happen overnight. And if it's in your shift, you're the one carrying the load. Sometimes people ask me, should I separate development from operations for that? And I think that's missing the point because it's kind of like development from QA. Yes, you have QA people, but they're there to ensure that the deployments go cleanly, that the things that escaped the dev testing process, and the test cases that they're building still get handled. That you do regression testing, all of that kind of stuff. But you still have developers writing tests. And similarly, I think you would need to have developers taking on-call shifts because then the load gets shared, and shared load is lesser load for everyone. What you need to do at that point is that rather than hiding the problem just to one community, you've shared the problem, and now you're incented to build automations to reduce the problems, not just for yourselves, but for your customer. That, I think, is really what I started Shoreline around. How do we reduce the overall, burden of on call by reducing the incidents, right? Fewer incidents, better on call. How do you get there? Through automation. It's that simple.